Excuse me. Have you ever had hiccups? Let's find out why do we get hiccups. Causes of hiccups range from eating too much to sudden temperature changes, but usually, the reason is unknown. In our body, we have balloon-like structures called lungs which help us to inhale and exhale air. There is a muscle right below our lungs called the diaphragm. The diaphragm contracts and expands according to the movement of the lungs. It becomes smaller when we inhale and bigger when we exhale. Sometimes, things could go wrong. The diaphragm could get a little irritated. It can expand and contract randomly and make you suck air in your throat suddenly. This causes hiccups. But what creates the sound? Normally, sound is produced from your mouth through the vocal cords, which are flap-like structures. When air rushes through the vocal cords and they vibrate, sound is produced. But when you are having a bad case of the hiccups, the sudden gulp of air makes your vocal cords slap against each other. This causes the loud Eventually, hiccups lasts for just a few minutes, but it may seem like forever when you're hit with a case of them. Wondering how to stop your hiccups? We all may have heard that scaring a person could make the hiccups fly away. But, it isn't really true. Drinking a glass of water and holding your breath for a short time are a few ways to help cure hiccups. But sometimes, it may get stubborn. And when it does, there's really nothing you can do about it except to wait it out. But you'll get through it. See you next Wednesday. Goodbye.